Hi, magandang araw po mga kababayan ko sa lungsod ng Maynila, sa mga lolo't lola ko, sa nanay tatay ko, at magandang araw sa inyo at sa mga batang Maynila. No? Kaya po ako talk to the people now, we call it talk to the people, to address certain posts sa social media sa ating mga nagmamalasakit na netizen, no? Sapagkat may nag-repost nung video about sa Arten, but the incident happened May 2025. So ibig sabihin, hindi pa po tayo ang nakaupong alkalde noon, but i-update ko lang kayo para naman sa kapanatagan ng lahat. At nagpapasalamat naman ako sa mga netizen na talaga yung concern nila na tumulong sa taong bayan, sa mamamayan at sa pamahalaan na maging vigilant, no, sa mga tulongges, lalo na dyan sa Arten. But I would like to inform the public on about 12:15 August 4. So that is today. Personnel of Rahabago Police Station, Precinct 1, led by Police Captain Ryan J.D. Balagtas, under the leadership Police Lieutenant Colonel Roland M. De Leon, who is the Chief of Precinct 1 o Precinto 1, no? conducted an anti-illegal gambling operation in response to complaint regarding rampant illegal gambling activities within the area of responsibility. During the operation, 3 male suspects were apprehended while engaged in illegal activities. Ito po ay in violation of 1602. At the same time, with the concealing of deadly bladed weapon, lisong. Ito po sila, no? Si Joshua Makeda E. Purificacion, aka Puroy, member of BCJ o Batang City Jail. Mark Gerald Dumale E. Surigao, the same thing, in violation of 1602. And Mario Dionisio E. Tan, aka Toto, or also known as Toto, minor. Italikod mo na lang yan. Ito po mga suspect na to, nahuli, no? In violation of 1602. At the same manner, gusto namin i-present sa inyo, mga kababayan, dahil ito po yung posted, no, na video. But it was reposted last July 3. Okay naman yun. Wala namang masama. Hindi lang na-mention na yung nangyari